Hey Techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So Techies, today we are going to discuss about one of the most important interview question for the manual tester and the automation tester. Okay, what do you mean by error? What do you mean by defect? What do you mean by bug? And what do you mean by issue? This is most frequently asked interview question. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about all these terms. Okay, so let's start. But moving to next step, please like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview questions. So let's start. So the first term is error. Error means once we are doing the coding, that time human make some mistake, kind of this one. The actual requirement is A equals to B plus C, but instead of A plus C, developer is writing the code A equals to B minus C or A equals to B into C. So this will be generate the error. Okay, suppose A value is equal to A equals to 10, B equals to 20 and C equals to 30. Okay, now here A equals to 20 plus 30 means 10 equals to 50. Okay, but by mistake developer do this thing minus 10 minus 10. This leads to we generate the error. Okay, I hope you understand the definition of error. Okay, if we talk about the defect, defect mean a flaw in the software that cause its behavior incorrectly or produce unexpected result. Okay, unexpected result this will also produce, but this can be happen during the coding, during the during the coding during the coding part. And defect behave this found during the testing before release. Before release means not under the test execution. Before release means in the UAT environment. Okay, cause error introduced during design, coding, or the requirement. Okay, example, login button does not work when valid credential you are entered, because valid credential is a happy flow, but if you are entering valid credential and user not able to log in, that called defect. Defect raised in the UAT environment, in UAT environment, and error reported in the dev environment. Okay, so I hope you got both the term. The next term is bug, a defect that is accepted by the development team and needs to be fixed. Accepted by the development team and need to be fixed means this can be happen in the test environment. This can be happen in the test environment, cause a tester report a defect and developer confirm it is a valid and it becomes to bug. Okay, for example, tester report the app crash on clicking the submit button and developer reproduce it and mark it as bug, means bug can be occurred in the test environment. Okay, issue, if we talk about the issue, a generic term for any concern, problem, or task, can be defect, enhancement, request, or environment problem, and caused due to arise defect, unclear requirement, development problem, or infrastructure issue. It can be anything: unclear requirement, development problem, or due to the infrastructure issue. And if we talk about the example, application not loading due to the server time, means here is a infrastructure issue. Okay, requirement is not clear is a requirement problem. Okay, unclear requirement. And if we talk about the incorrect calculation billing model issue, also defect, this one is all defect. Okay, so I hope guys you got all the understanding all four terms, which is really important for the interview perspective. Okay, let's quick summary about this one. Error happen in the development environment. Got it? Defect happen in the happen in the UAT environment before release, and bug happen in the test environment. And issue is a journal term. It can be happen any time. Okay, so this one is all about the four basic term, which is really important for the interview perspective. I hope you got understanding. Okay, so guys, Please like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Goodbye. Have a nice day.